Hi. So, focus. So this video is literally a bunch of random clips. There's literally no meaning behind it. It's not, I don't even know what I'm gonna call it yet. Just like random clips from school, and then we went to Disneyland, and then random clips from when me and my mom went to the store, and then obviously I gotta put my cat in there. I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Hey guys, it's me, obviously.
What are you doing? Paw Patrol. Wow, Pac's feeling herself in those leggings. That's all it is. That's all it is. Why are you laughing?
Oh no. I really wanted a shirt, you know, like this. Wait, look. You know, like the bottom?
Yeah.
It's so cute. Oh, I would wear this, but I don't have money. You're so cute. My mom is making me go get a cart, and I hate pushing carts so much. I know that sounds stupid, but I hate it. Social anxiety, and now I want to die. He's literally face down. Look at how long these underwear are. Huh?
I've always wanted this outfit, but it never goes down.
Mrs. always right. Look at these cups. This is all the houses.
Hola, mami. ¿Cómo se llama?
Oh god. Awkward is my That's me. La mejor mamá del mundo. What is it bad?
4 mugs. The mugs aren't square. I'm confused. What if I don't want salad plates?
I do not drink ranch. I am red. Yeah, you are. I do not drink ranch. She's full of shit. She drinks ranch. She licked it off of her finger. It's a drop, and she's like, "Oh my god, ew!" It was all over my finger. It was a drop. No, she literally. That was you. I don't like licking ranch. My whole lunch container was filled with ranch. No, it wasn't. Just the size of it. I think.
This looks like an uncomfortable chair. Look.
I feel cute in this, which is weird because I don't even feel cute ever. So you're cute. No. That's gay. Very. Oh no freaking way. No, you didn't. I look like a record. Look like you hate me. That's you my face. Oh my god. I don't. Ew, look, you're just saying that. What?
Okay, girl. See, one is for everything.
Daily shower.
Look, one's for your granite, one's for your shower, one's for your all-purpose. That's a heavy-duty.
Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Well, we'll smell it anyways. Lemongrass.
Lemon ass. Okay, got it.
I don't know. It literally smells like straight.
All-purpose.
I can't open it. Wait, can I just spray it?
No, it's not perfume. Here, we're so short, dude. Okay, Pack.
You want to go with Daddy? What? Okay, then I'll go with Mommy. Going with you.
Hold a gun. I've held your fellow brother.
I held your fellow brother. If I look ugly, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my god. Splash Mountain and I don't want to because I just got new shoes and I don't want them to get wet. And half the time, my feet always get soaked when we go on Splash Mountain. And my hair gets wet.
We go to McDonald's again, we're like, did you find the retainer? Whenever
Hi, you can't see me because the camera likes to do this thing where you start recording and that literally did nothing. Where you start recording and it just turns black. But anyways, so we got Taco Bell, me and Pumbaa, that's Pumbaa, you can't see her. And I got a Crunchwrap Fresco, which is beans instead of meat. I don't know, I don't want to explain it all over again because I already explained it to Pumbaa. And then, it's low. And then Pumbaa got 2 bean and cheese burritos. Oh, we also got nacho fries. And my feet really hurt because I wore my new shoes like an idiot to Disneyland.
We are going to be toasting and grinding our spices. They get crispier, they get
Bean. Hi.
coriander seed, cumin,
Look at me. Bean is way.
mustard seeds,
Hi.
second cream.
I probably don't show it on the outside. I feel like I'm in the dark.
Bean.
Starting to toast these spices.
Hello.
Takes a couple of minutes.
I swear you ignore me.
So, cooking pasta, the water must be as salty as the ocean. Take the ravioli, put the
I'm making carrot cake because I really wanted some. Well, I didn't really want it, like, want it. Oh my god, it smells so good.
See, still super good.
Of my entire existence.
Wow. You may have to switch this up and make this into the get lucky. This is fantastic. Perfectly cooked pasta. Beautiful. It's such a good sign.
Okay, so I don't know how long it's been in there because I forgot to set a timer.
Yes. I'm trying to like catch the announcement and like see me and hear me. Look at this right there. Yes, is the roadmap. It's sort of sticky. And we should
I'm so glad I went with blue. Look at it.
I'm really apprehensive about it.
Oh my god. It came out perfect. That makes me so happy. Wow. I am a baker. Just kidding.
It wasn't. I know.
Let me know if you guys have ever played cool math games because I played that my entire childhood and my sisters loved those games on cool math games. Used to be allowed to play them at school, but now they blocked it. There's an unblocked version, just to let you know. But even I play them and I'm 15, but like my 6 and 7-year-old sisters play them and stuff, so. Cool math games is always fun.
Some Indian-inspired food. Ready to get
Are you serious?
almost 2 minutes.
Carlos makes this look so much easier. And 2.
I think you tasted
I hope it's cold enough because I'm impatient.
a fair leg shot for
Oh my god.
nominated for elimination. There's one more and that's match. Beautiful baby. I'm a perfectionist.
Okay, we're gonna see how this is gonna work. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Separate it.
Alright, let's break down feet first. We're missing a thigh. 7 ribs.
So
Ready?
that's the cake. It's not that cute. So that's basically the video. Like I said, no meaning behind it. It's just a random video. I just wanted to put something up, and this like video is actually kind of funny. Like, I don't know. And leave a like, comment, subscribe, or do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.